Hello guys, I am Essa, and you are watching Essa Tech Room. In this video we are going to learn that how we can make professional curriculum video in Photoshop. First of all, we need to follow this link to download the zip file. Download it and extract the file. Now we need to open this PSD file. Let's open it. You can see here is a well-made template, which is showing every information you need to show for a job. First, here is name. Then what you are. The work experiences. What jobs you had. Your education and where from you got it. What are your professional skills? Here is About Me section, where you can write a short story about you. Now let's see how to work on it. First select text tool by pressing T button. And double click on the text you want to edit. You can write your name here. And what you are. Where you worked and what jobs you had. You can write about you here like this. And put your contact information here. You can customize these lines which are showing skills expertness. You just need to select Move tool by pressing V button, the press Ctrl, and left click to select the gray part of the line. Then you need to press Ctrl T command to resize it. Now press Shift and increase or decrease by mouse. You can put your image by simply dragging your image here. I hope you understand that how you can make your CV in Photoshop. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.